Hello, and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be talking about how to use ChatGPT. Also subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. Did you know? The OpenAI developed GPT-3 language model has a variation called ChatGPT. It can provide human-like responses to user input in real time when employed in chatbot and conversational applications, which is how it was intended to be utilized. The capability of ChatGPT to comprehend and produce natural language is one of its key advantages. As a result, it can be used for things like answering consumer questions, offering customer service, or even having casual discussions with people for amusement or education. It is crucial to remember that ChatGPT has its limitations and is not a fully fledged artificial intelligence. Despite being trained on a sizable corpus of human language, it is ultimately still merely a machine learning model and is unable to comprehend or understand actual language. As a result, it works best in applications where its constraints are taken into account and its capabilities are in line with the desired results. You must have Python and PyTorch installed on your computer in order to use ChatGPT. Run the subsequent command to install ChatGPT using pip, the Python package manager. You can start utilizing ChatGPT in your Python code after it has been installed. You must import the ChatGPT class and make an instance of it in order to achieve this. When creating your ChatGPT instance, you can provide a number of configuration settings, such as the model size, which affects its performance and capacity, and the temperature, which controls the level of randomness in the generated responses. For instance, you could use the following code to construct a ChatGPT instance with a medium-sized model and a temperature of 0.5. You may just provide ChatGPT a prompt and ask it to generate a response if you want to use it for chat. The prompt, which can be a statement, a question, or any other text, will serve as the basis for ChatGPT's response generation process. For instance, you could use the following code to request a response from ChatGPT to the question, "Hello, how are you?" By supplying more information and employing more precise cues, ChatGPT can produce responses that are of higher quality. For instance, it will be more efficient to supply the entire question as the prompt rather than just a single word or phrase if you want ChatGPT to develop an answer to a specific topic. Similarly, it can be useful to supply the prior messages in the chat if you want ChatGPT to construct a response in the context of that conversation. When utilizing ChatGPT, it's crucial to pay attention to the content of the prompts and responses. ChatGPT is a machine learning model, hence it lacks morality or ethics, and if given the chance, it might produce offensive or improper content. The user is responsible for ensuring that ChatGPT is utilized sensibly and appropriately. ChatGPT offers a number of sophisticated features that can be utilized for tasks like translation, summarization, and question answering in addition to its primary functionality as a conversational model. The capability of ChatGPT to execute machine translation is one of its sophisticated capabilities. When building your ChatGPT instance, be sure to include the source language as well as the target language if you want to use this feature. Once you've done that, you can give it a prompt in the target language and instruct it to produce a translation of it. Using ChatGPT, you could, for instance, enter the following code to translate the following sentence. Additionally, ChatGPT has the ability to summarize, which enables it to condense a larger text into a briefer summary. You can supply ChatGPT the entire text and the required summary length to make use of this capability. After that, ChatGPT will provide a summary that retains the most crucial details from the original text. For instance, you could use the following code in ChatGPT to produce an article summary. Finally, ChatGPT can be utilized to provide answers. You can ask it to generate an answer by passing it a question and a context, such as a section of text or a list of documents. The context will then be used by ChatGPT to produce a response that is appropriate for the query. Use the following code, for instance, to inquire about a specific subject on ChatGPT. The fundamentals of using ChatGPT for discussion as well as some of its more complex capabilities, such translation, summarization, and question responding, have been discussed in this outline. We've also spoken about some pointers for enhancing ChatGPT's responses and best practices for utilizing it in a conversational context. You can find a lot of information on ChatGPT and how to utilize it efficiently online. The official ChatGPT project documentation, guides, and sample code, as well as books and blogs published by subject matter experts, are some excellent places to start. Future development and improvement of ChatGPT and other big language models is anticipated to result in even higher capabilities and more complex applications. So, this is a fun moment to work with ChatGPT and discover its potential. When building your ChatGPT instance, be sure to include the source language as well as the target language if you want to use this feature. Once you've done that, you can give it a prompt in the target language and instruct it to produce a translation of it. Using ChatGPT, you could, for instance, enter the following code to translate the following sentence. Additionally, ChatGPT has the ability to summarize, which enables it to condense a larger text into a briefer summary. You can supply ChatGPT the entire text and the required summary length to make use of this capability. After that, ChatGPT will provide a summary that retains the most crucial details from the original text. I hope this video was helpful in some way. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. See you in the next video.